Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube paid me for about 8.5 million views on this YouTube channel, the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. I actually had a video go viral on TikTok this week, and here it is right here. And it's titled, "How much does 8 million YouTube views pay you?" It got 2.8 million views in just a couple of days on TikTok. It's actually got me more followers on my TikTok. I've got 26,000 subscribers on my TikTok than I've got in the entire 5 years that I've been doing this Studio Hacks YouTube channel. I've got 24,000 subscribers, which took me 5 years to get on YouTube. So the growth happened a lot more rapidly on TikTok. Unfortunately, I don't make any money from TikTok. Apart from that, I embed my wife's music in all the TikToks that I make. So we might make about $500 maybe in musical royalties from 3 million plays. That's the unfortunate thing about the short form content, is it doesn't pay very well compared to the long form content on YouTube. Now I'll jump into the back end of my YouTube studio and show you all of my earnings in just a minute. And I thought I'd make this longer form video because I can give you some tips on, if you have a YouTube channel or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, how you can make about 5 to 10 times as much money in your ad revenue for the exact same amount of work. This is some things that I've discovered recently, and it's been working really well for me. And it's all about picking high RPM topics. RPM means revenue per million, but it's a figure that they give you. How much do you make per 1,000 views? And if you pick really poor topics like video games and social media, really generic topics, you might only get a RPM of $3 or $4, so $3 or $4 per 1,000 views. But I have found some topics to make videos on where I'm getting 20, 30, sometimes even $40 per 1,000 views. So you're literally making 10 times the amount of money for the exact same amount of work. Now you can see here from my TubeBuddy plugin, you can see I've got 8.53 million views on my YouTube channel. And the bulk of those have happened in the last 3 years, where I've been doing a bit more seriously. I tend to have a spurt where I make a lot of content and then I go off and work on some other projects, and I might not do any videos for 3 or 4 months, and then I'll come back and I'll make heaps of content and I'll slowly drip feed it out, publish it day by day. So let's go into the back end and we can start to see how much I am making from this YouTube channel. So you can see here that in the last 28 days, I've made an estimated $1,250. So that's some really nice passive income. My YouTube channel is not my main job. It's just something that I tack on to what I'm already doing in music production, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, everything that I do. I tend to just make videos based around anything I'm currently interested in. And YouTubing is one of my interests, obviously. So that is completely passive. I took a break from YouTube and I didn't make any content for about 6 months. And I was still getting between $1,000 and $2,000 every month, which is, really nice supplementary income. And this is just one of 3 YouTube channels that I run. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to find out this information, you just have to go to this analytics tab in your YouTube studio. And then what we want to do is we want to set the time frame right here to the lifetime. So this will give us the lifetime of the channel. So you can see that I only started making some reasonable income in December of 2019, which is about 3.5 years ago. So the total amount that I have made from this YouTube channel is $61,383.10. And that is paid into my bank account once a month for my earnings. Now, that's a fairly good figure. There's a few things to remember. I am in Australia, so that is about 40,000 US dollars. I only really work on my YouTube channel about 3 or 4 hours a week. And I've only been really serious with YouTube for about 3 years. So if I divide 61,000 by 52 weeks in a year, and then divide that figure by 3 for the 3 years that I've been doing it, it's earning me roughly $391 a week. So if I divide that by, let's say, the 4 hours of work that I put in, the time that I put into creating content on YouTube over the last 3 years on average has paid me about $97 an hour, which is really good. When I see figures like that, it reminds me, you know what, I should be getting back on YouTube and making more content. Now, here is my secret for making about 10 times as much income for the same amount of work. It is all to do with the topic that you pick for your YouTube channel. You have to remember that YouTube is primarily an advertising platform, and your YouTube channel is like a little piece of real estate. It's like having a house, and you're trying to make your property look really nice so that advertisers will come on and put signs on your property. So if your property is on a nice street, you've picked some good topics, and it's something that advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money for, you'll get much more per video than if you pick poor topics. Now, what we're going to do is go into my content section. I'm going to find an older video from this YouTube channel that was on some random topic and show you why it was a poor choice. Okay, so here's a video of me making fun of a Billie Eilish song. So there's no real clear topic apart from maybe music, maybe Billie Eilish, but it's not something that a specific advertiser would want to put their, advertisement on. So if I was doing reviews for like software products, that would mean that a lot of software companies would want to advertise on my YouTube channel, and software companies actually pay a lot of money to advertise their products because their products they're not physical products. So they're willing to put a lot more into advertising because they don't have to have any money put into the storefront or their warehousing or anything like that. It's just all digital. So this video here, if we go to the video analytics, we go to the revenue right here, you can see I made barely any money from this from 2,000 views because my revenue per 1,000 views, my RPM, was only $2.33, which means advertisers were not willing to pay very much to have their advertisements put on this video, the topic of this video. Now let's find a really good one. So I've been doing a lot of software reviews lately. Let's find something that's quite current. Here is a video of me reviewing a product called Fleeky.ai, which is an AI video generator. It's like it's an online software as a service. If I go to the analytics of this video has gotten 7.5 thousand views, but I've made almost $100. So the revenue for that, the RPM, is $12.73. I'm getting 6 times as much per view on this video as I am from the other. So you can see if I made 6 videos, like, it would take me a week to make 6 videos, or maybe 3 or 4 days if I was working really hard. And I could have just made 1 video and got the same amount of revenue, because that's why I'm here on YouTube. I'm here to create passive income and help other people create passive income. So if I can do 1/6 of the amount of work and make the same amount of money, of course I want to do that. Now, here is a video of me showing people how to make white noise videos, like for relaxation. And it's a how to make money online video. So these ones, anything to do with finance or online business or digital marketing or how to make money online, that is a really good topic, because look at the revenue I'm getting from this, $24 per 1,000 views. If this particular video was to go viral and I got just 1 million views, I would make $24,000. But if it was the Billie Eilish video that went viral, I would only make $2,000 for 1 million views. So you can see why picking the right topic is really vital for your YouTube success. I am currently working on a course, and I think I'm going to call it the Beginner's Guide to Making Money on YouTube, how to leave your job and make a full-time living online. When that is finished, I will leave the link in the description and you'll be able to watch the first few videos of that course for free. I'm also going to be launching some one-on-one coaching if you need help with your YouTube channel. When I've got that set up, I'll pop the link in the description as well. It'll probably be a few weeks after I post this video that those links will become available because that's all still in production at the moment. As you can see, you can put in just very little effort, but if you do it in the right way, you can make really good passive income still in 2023 from YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.